guys, so let me ask you, what happens when someone is used, abused, and taken advantage of for a long period of time? You get this. No, not your angry mom. Well, I guess you might if you don't thank her when she does your laundry. An angry mob. Yes, and this is exactly what happened in the 1800s when the captains of industry made extreme profits by using, abusing, and taking for granted their workers. Workers finally organized to protest their working conditions and demand better treatment. Information about the organized labor movement can be found in Chapter 9, Section 3 of your Orange Book. We'll discuss two objectives in this presentation in Goal 5. Goal 5, Objective 3, assess the impact of labor unions, and Objective 4, describe the changing role of the government. Our essential question is, how did the rise of labor unions shape relations among workers, big business, and government? Let's review by thinking about the pros and cons of big business and rapid industrialization. Effects of rapid industrialization are both positive and negative. I want you to document these in a graphic organizer. So, on your own, come up with 4 significant positives and 4 significant negatives of industrialization. Put the negatives in the column on the left, the positives in the column on the right. Be prepared to post them in the whiteboard in class. Go ahead and pause the video while you do this. In 1848, we start to see the rise of socialism. Socialism is a concept of an economic system developed by Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels. It is an economic system that requires public control of property and income. Society, in general, should be in charge of a nation's wealth. This idea is becoming very popular in Europe in the late 1800s, and it embraces the idea that wealth should be divided equally. In the Communist Manifesto, Marx denounces capitalism, which is our system of economy. What groups of people do you think, knowing what you know about industrialization, might favor socialism? In the next video, we'll talk about how the organized labor movement began and what groups were significant.